Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Certified Azure Architect Design, AZ 304. Module 2, Design Monitoring. Welcome to Module 2 of the Microsoft Certified Azure Architect Design course. In this module, we will delve into the critical aspect of designing monitoring solutions within Azure architecture. Monitoring is essential for maintaining the health, performance, and security of your Azure resources, ensuring optimal operation and adherence to business requirements. Throughout this module, we will explore various monitoring tools, techniques, and best practices tailored for Azure environments. We will cover topics such as 1. Understanding the importance of monitoring in Azure architecture. 2. Designing effective monitoring strategies for different Azure services and resources. 3. Leveraging Azure Monitor to collect and analyze telemetry data from applications, infrastructure, and networks. 4. Implementing alerts and notifications to proactively address issues and ensure SLA compliance. 5. Integrating third-party monitoring solutions and custom monitoring scripts into Azure environments. 6. Designing for scalability and flexibility in monitoring solutions to accommodate dynamic workloads and evolving business needs.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.